Well, now that I'm going out more, I have so many videos. And now that I'm just doing 2 days per week, they're piling up. That's because every time I come out hiking, I could be out here anywhere from 3 to 6 hours on a walk, and I do several videos at the same time of different subjects. So I have endless videos. I guess I'll never get to share them because I'm only doing, even if I do a video per hour, I'll never run out of videos. Some of the videos I also listen to them several times and then I decide not to post them. So it's getting thicker with the clouds out here. So there's another storm coming in right now over the mountains. So it's gonna start snowing. It's already snowing up there again today. This is Sunday, January 25th, 2026. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm anxious to go travel, but right now I don't want to get on the road because it's too cold and the weather is unpredictable. And I like to go camping, so it's too cold for me to go camping. Van camping. I haven't gone tent camping in a few years now. The ground gets too low for me now and to get up. So I use the van to sleep in it. It's getting colder. Hey. It's getting colder because of the wind. My hands are frozen. hiked on that trail up yesterday. We hiked on a trail over here and then got up on that ridge and took the trail over there and over. We did a lot yesterday. I usually don't do those long trails anymore, especially with a higher risk by myself. So when Randy, my friend, comes out here, I feel more relaxed to go with somebody than to go by myself. Up there yesterday, there were some places that I had to turn off the phone and put it on my pocket because there were some stretches that were iced. Being at the ledge on the edge of the trail, I actually got really nervous with the ice. I am getting more cautious, and it's a bad thing. Sometimes when we become more afraid of the trail, then that's when things can go wrong. I hope you guys can hear me. I've noticed in some of the other videos that the voice is kind of too low. I don't like to talk loud. That's been my style pretty much all my life. Oh, it's just muddy here. It's getting colder with the wind. about 1 mile out, and I just want to do about 2 miles. Still okay, it's slushy, but tonight or in the afternoon it will freeze again, turn into ice, everything out here. It is so quiet out here, so peaceful. This is what I like. There's really not a lot of snow out here, actually. I thought there was going to be more. There's more snow on that hill and here, but as you can see, there's no snow on that hill there. There's none over there. So maybe tomorrow, which is Monday, I'll drive up to the crest. That's a 2-hour drive from Albuquerque, and I'll see if there's more snow up there. I'll call tomorrow to the northern lakes and see if they're frozen for a safety now. And then I'll take a drive up there and stay up there a couple of days and go fishing, ice fishing. Maybe. We'll have to see. It all depends how the weather is. Clouds are still moving west, which is unusual. They usually move east toward the mountain. But there's another current of air coming through. One of the reasons why Albuquerque is so popular with a balloon fiesta is because there's some current of airs here. They call it the box. So the hot air balloons come, and down in the valley the current goes up, and then it comes over closer to the mountain and it stays up, and then it drops down, and it just continuously goes on a block, the current of airs. And The hot air balloon people like that. And I think what's going on here is these clouds are going west, and these clouds, some of them are going east way up. So there's a different current of airs. Well, now I'm feeling warmer on my body, but my hands are frozen. I'm wearing light jacket, t-shirt, and a flannel shirt underneath. But now it's getting warm. On my upper body, my legs, I don't feel anything. I'm wearing sweatpants. My hands were frozen a little while ago. I think they're getting better now. So temperature wise, it may be around, feels like it may be around 36 now. I think that's the highest it was going to be today. Folks, I hope you like this kind of videos. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, follow me. I hope you follow me and that you subscribe, comment. It will help my channel. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I hear this storm has caused a lot of problems back east. Not so much in Albuquerque. We only had 2 inches of snow in the city, if that. And that's normal. Out here we don't get a lot of. I've only remember one time in my lifetime that I think it was back in the 80s, early 80s, that we got 14 inches of snow in out here in the city. That almost stopped the city. Nobody got out. I remember that big storm. Oh, there's some people on that lower trail. What I like out here is that we do get all 4 seasons. For the most part, in New Mexico, we get a lot of blue skies. Storms come in and they leave right away. In Albuquerque, it snows maybe once or twice a year, and it's gone the next day. Everything is cleared. So I like that. And then we get the cool air. Summers are hot, but it's a dry heat. So it's not as bad as places in Houston area or any of those places where super humid and super hot. That's a boiling pot, a pressure cooker. I couldn't live in those places anymore. Out here, if it gets hot in the city, all you have to do is drive up to the mountains, and the mountains are pretty much always cool, and they'll be anywhere from 10 to 15 or 20 degrees cooler. It depends how high you go in elevation. So in the summers, a lot of people just head up to the mountains and go camping and hiking. Well, it's getting close to my lunchtime, my second meal of the day. I had 2 fried eggs today for breakfast, and this is coming up to my 6-hour window for meals, so I am getting hungry. But the nice thing about fasting and eating is that you get hungry at your usual time. But if you wait about 30 minutes after the hunger pain, it just goes away, and you can go on longer. I do 18-hour fastings during the days, and then I eat on a 6-hour window. I do eat low carb, and for the last 2.5, 3 years, I've never felt better in my life. So look at this. There's not a lot of snow in this area. So he came in on patches. There's more snow up on top, and there's no snow down here. And then there's a little bit more snow toward the closer to the city. And that happens out here a lot. Sometimes we get rain, and we only get rain in one block, and then the rest of the place doesn't get rain. It's crazy out here how that works, but that's normal out here. I was out here yesterday with my friend Randy, and the snow started coming in, the clouds, and it got really cold in a hurry. And then it was snowing, although I didn't see it on the camera, but I could feel it on my coat. Little pieces of ice, like little balls of snow. It was what we were getting, and so we had finished our hike. We had started from the bottom over there, went over this ridge, and we came around the bottom part here. So we did a big loop, and then now we're back. There's a person here with a dog, and it's loose. I don't like that. People should have their dogs on a leash. Well, I'm gonna call it a quit now, and I'll head down